We are studying the superficial layer muscles of the posterior compartment of forearm. So first of all, we have the brachioradialis muscle, which is originating from the upper two-third of the lateral supracondylar ridge, and it's entering in the styloid process of radius. Origin from two-third lateral supracondylar ridge of the humerus and entering styloid process of radius. Then we have extensor carpi radialis longus ECRL, and it's originating from one-third lateral supracondylar ridge, and it's inserting all the way back into the second metacarpal bone. All right, so if you move the second metacarpal bone, you can sense some movement here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, but you can sense the movement here. Then we have the extensor carpi radialis brevis. Extensor carpi radialis brevis right here, and extensor carpi radialis brevis enters in the third metacarpal bone. All right, here. So if we move this finger, this muscle is moving. You can see it in the camera even more prominently. It's extensor carpi radialis brevis. Then we have extensor digitorum, and extensor digitorum originating from lateral epicondyle of the humerus. It's actually superficial on extensor carpi radialis brevis and longus. So it's extending all the way back into our four fingers, and these four fingers are moving because these are connected to the extensor digitorum, and we have a really cute little muscle along with the extensor digitorum named extensor digiti minimi. When some people it's already fused together with digitorum, but like in my case it's not true. Like we can see it's inserting into this little pinky finger. That's why it's called digiti minimi. So if we move this little pinky finger, you can see a little movement here. So that is the digiti minimi, and that is a very nice detail to the human arm created by the Almighty. And then we have another extensor carpi ulnaris. So extensor carpi ulnaris is right here. It's inserting into the base of the fifth metacarpal bone. So this is the base of the fifth metacarpal bone. So extensor carpi ulnaris is starting from here as going all the way to fifth metacarpal bone, and then we have enconius muscle here. It just helps in the triceps in the extension of elbow. So it's so hard. It was so hard, so I just made it all on my hand to study.